We're about to dive into a new video.
All about how to create a lesson for your online course in Learnworlds. And guess what? If you're building an online course, we have a free masterclass link right below this video with a step-by-step process on how to guarantee the success of the building, launching, distributing of your course every time you build one. Check it out below this video, and we always just want to thank you for being a subscriber and giving us a like, so we appreciate you. Here we go, Hector, what are we gonna do?
So the first thing that you're gonna do is, if you're not logged in already, make sure that you log in.
Then
the second
access
thing,
your school.
You click on My School, you hit Access Your School. The next thing, you want to navigate to Courses. Click on those courses. You want to either select a course that you have already existing. If you don't have a course yet, create it. But we're gonna go with the our very unique way of titling courses.
Then we're gonna click on Contents, and then we're gonna add an activity. An activity is a lesson. An activity could be a module. You know, in the e-learning and online course space, there's so many different names for different things, but basically how this is laid out is you have a milestone. That is the section of your course. When you take our masterclass, you'll learn about the A to Z process. The A point is basically where your learner starts. The Z point is where they finish when they finish your course, the results that they get. The milestones are what they achieve along the way. The
chapters
lessons,
in a book.
the modules, whatever, the modules, lessons, topics make up the milestones. So right now we're gonna build a lesson, which
we're building
in Learnworlds vernacular, that means we're adding an activity.
So when we hit Add Activity, this will open up where you want to go to a bunch of options.
Video, ebook, PDF, SCORM, HTML5, YouTube video, SoundCloud audio.
There are
you can also embed a YouTube video, embed a Vimeo video,
which is
you can
awesome.
add assessments, you can add forms, certificates, all sorts of stuff.
Exams.
This is how you add lessons to your course. That's it, folks.
That's it. And remember, lessons could be a multitude of those activities in Learnworlds jargon.
Mix and match, and guess what? We have a link right below our video. It's our affiliate link. You showing support to us because we gave you these amazing tips. And guess what? You will also get 30-day free trial. And Hector's Greek, Learnworlds Greek. We got a guy, his name is Giannis. He's Greek.
He's amazing.
If you work with Learnworlds, we're gonna hook you up with Giannis. And he's gonna guide you every step of the way in your Learnworlds journey. And what else we got, Hector?
And guess what? Because we love you so much, we want to keep supporting you, which is why we have a whole entire playlist about Learnworlds.
It's a gift for you.
More tutorials, more information, how to utilize this powerful platform, because it can help you develop a successful online course and e-learning program, which you should also watch the free masterclass about. So we will see you soon.